Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a mini haul. It's everything is drugstore, so yes, if you wanna know what is in my mini haul, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I have most of the products which is e.l.f. and I do have like few of the products from the different brand, but most of it is from the e.l.f. So I have all this product that I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna show you what I got. So yes, so first of all, I got this e.l.f. Camo CC cream. Everybody's raving about it, so I thought, why not try this on? And yes, so I bought that. Okay, so now I also got this Camo concealer. I already had one, but I need like a little bit darker tone. That was like super light on my skin, so I used for that highlight. But I got this different shade, and I hope this matches my skin. So yes, so they also came up with the lip. It's a ride or die lip balm. I got the two shades. This one is Boss Berry and this one is Just Peachy. Take this a little bit on my hand. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so as you can see, the one is more like a peach and one is berry. So I wanted to try both of them, so I got the both tinted moisturizer, and now I'm just gonna go and see how the finishing is. Okay, so that's how it looks like after you put on your lips. And I also got this No Budge retractable eyeliner in the shade Coffee. I don't have any brown eyeliner, so I thought, why not buy that and try it, because I use Tarte eyeliner, and that's so far the best eyeliner that I have been using. It does not smudge in the bottom eyelid, which is great. So yeah, so this is what liner looks like. It's a retractable, which I like, and it's nice coffee color. Now I also bought these liquid eyeshadows, and they look like this. The gold shade is the 24 karat gold. It's 24K gold, and that's the shade. This one, which is white, the name of this one is Disco Queen. This one, which is like a coppery, but it has a white glitter in it, so it's a white glittery eyeshadow in the copper shade, which is Flirty Birdie. That's a nice name, right? The shade looks like the glittery shade. Now I'm going to use the copper. I'm going to swatch that on for you, and let's see. And that's the copper shade. That's the one. Last but not the least, it's the gold, baby. Wow, just wow, look at that gold shade. Okay, so that's all the liquid eyeshadows. I'm in love with them, and I can't wait to use it. Then I got this e.l.f. Lash It Out volumizing mascara in the shade Black. Then I also bought this Wow Brow. It's in the shade Neutral Brow volumizing fiber gel. That's for the eyebrows. I never tried this kind of product for my eyebrows. I usually just like to use the Kabao Brow from Benefit, and that's all I have been using from the longest time, and I love that product. So I'm like, why not try this one, you know, from the drugstore. So that's how it looks like. It's like a small spoolie for your eyebrows. Can you see? I also bought this Soap and Glory Sexy Motherfucker XXL Pillow Plump, and it's a lip plumper, and in the shade Clairvoyant. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong, but that's what it says on the packaging. And this is how the packaging inside look like, and it's just a clear. It does have a little bit of shimmer, but it's like really tiny shimmer that you can't even see. Okay, so I also bought this lip lingerie trio thingy, and I didn't try this lip product from the NYX, so was so excited to try this because I have been using the matte lip creams and they are the best, like no joke. They're so nice, they're not drying on the lips. So yeah, and I have the 3 shades. So one is Bedtime Flirt, Embellishment, and Exotic, and I'm gonna swatch this on my hand and let's see. So first one I'm swatching is Bedtime Flirt, and that's how the shade look like. It's a nice nude color, and these are the matte ones, so hoping for the best, you know. And this one is the Embellishment. The last but not the least, then this one is Exotic. Ooh, I like this one too. I like all the shades actually. They're really nice shades. So the last one over there, that one is Embellish. Okay, so I also bought this NYX eyeshadow palette in the Diamond and Ice Pleasure. That's what it says on the packaging. Okay, so these are the shades. I really like the green shade. I was like so drawn to that one because I don't have anything like that. And they also have the shimmery brown shade. It's more like a metallic shade. And this one is for highlight. That one is pretty. That one is dark brown. That one is matte light brown. And this one is a gold. So yes, that's all the color, and I'm gonna swatch that on my hand and I'll show you. Okay, so as you can see, I have swatched all the shadow from the shimmer. These 4 are the shimmer shadows. This one is the green eyeshadow. This one is the metallic brown. This one is the light highlight one. This one is the gold one, and that one is the brown, the matte eyeshadow, which I liked it. And this one is like a brown mauve, like a deep shade. Then last but not the least, I have this Milani blush in the shade Wild Rose. I bought this and I am in love with the blush. So yes, I also have one more shade which I have been using, but I also wanted to try the lighter shade. I have the Coral Co. I have been using this. It's been a long time, not like a long time, but it's been a long time now. So I went ahead and get the pink one. The Milani eyeshadows are the best. I love the Milani eyeshadows. If you haven't tried them, please go ahead and try it and let me know in the comment. Please do it. So yes, and yes, so that's all I got, and I can't wait to try on and make really nice looks for you guys. So yes, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe. You know the drill, and I'll see you next time. Bye.